Hey everybody, and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make hard-boiled eggs using the Instant Pot, and then I will show you 3 different ways you can make deviled eggs. Let's get started. Did you just recently get an Instant Pot for Christmas? Or have you had one for a while but still don't know what to make? Hard-boiled eggs were the first thing I ever cooked with the Instant Pot, and now I'm going to show you how easy it is. Open the lid and place in the steam rack that came with the machine. Add in as many eggs as you need. In this case, I am adding 18 eggs. Add in 1 cup of water. Liquid is always needed for the pressure cooker to be able to reach enough pressure to cook the food. Place on the lid and make sure the valve is set to sealing, not venting. Cook the eggs on high pressure for 5 minutes. With the Instant Pot, you don't need to press start. Just set the time and walk away. The machine will turn on and take a few minutes to get enough pressure to start cooking. Once it's at enough pressure, the float valve will pop up and the timer will start and count down. When the timer goes off, let the pressure cooker do a natural release for another 5 minutes. The timer will start counting up. Once it has been 5 minutes, turn the steam release handle to venting. While it is venting, make an ice bath that you will put the eggs into once they come out. When the float valve goes down, this tells you the pressure has been released enough. You can now open the lid. Remove the lid and with some tongs, remove the eggs to the ice bath. Placing the eggs in an ice bath stops the eggs from cooking and makes them easier to peel. Let them sit in the water for 5 minutes. Drain the water and then peel the eggs. Once they are all peeled, I like to rinse them under some water just to make sure I get off all of the shell. The first deviled egg we will be making is just the good old classic. Take 6 of the hard-boiled eggs and slice them in half. Remove the yolks and place them in a bowl. To the bowl, add a little bit of butter. With the back of a fork, mash up the yolks and butter. Add a tablespoon or 2 of mayo, some Dijon mustard, a dash of Worcestershire sauce, pepper, and salt. Mix that all together and make sure to taste it and adjust the seasonings as needed. Thank you for subscribing and hitting the bell. This will notify you the next time I upload a video, so together we can strengthen our families through food. Spoon the mixture back into the eggs. If you want to get fancy, you can put the yolk into a piping bag with a tip and pipe the yolk into the egg. Or you can also put the mixture into a Ziploc bag and cut off a bottom corner and use it as a piping bag. Once all of the eggs are filled, you can garnish them with a sprinkle of paprika and some fresh parsley. For deviled egg number 2, peel, slice, and put the yolks in a bowl. Add sour cream, cheddar cheese, cooked diced bacon, and green onions. Mash with a fork until smooth and all mixed together. In the comments below, tell me what is your favorite way to eat an egg. Season with some salt and pepper, mix and taste to make sure you approve. If not, adjust as needed. Fill the eggs using whichever method you prefer. Garnish these loaded eggs with a piece of bacon and a green onion. For the third deviled egg, peel, slice, and put the yolks into a bowl. With a fork, mash up the yolks. Add lime juice, garlic, diced red onion, 1 avocado, and mash that all up together. If you couldn't tell by now, we are making guacamole deviled eggs. I love guacamole. Add in some diced jalapeno, tomato, salt, pepper, cayenne pepper, and cumin. Mix everything together and then add in some cilantro. Taste the filling, adjust if needed, and then fill the eggs. Garnish these eggs with a tortilla chip and a cilantro leaf. You can find these recipes below. We will see you in the next video.